In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and use canned responses in Gmail. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Before you can create canned responses, Gmail needs to have the feature turned on. In the top right area of Gmail, click the Settings icon. Then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where you can control extra features. Across the Settings tabs, click Advanced. On this page, you will find the setting for templates, which is what Gmail uses for canned responses. Find Templates, click to enable it, and then scroll down and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload, and once it is back in your inbox, templates will be available inside the Compose window. Now you are ready to create your first canned response. Click Compose to open a new email draft. Type the message you want to reuse. This is a good place to include a greeting, the main response, and a closing line. Keep it general enough that it can work for multiple emails, and leave out details that change often, like dates or order numbers, so you can quickly personalize later. Next, go to the draft email window and click the three dots, which opens the More Options menu. In that menu, select Templates. Then choose Save Draft as Template, and select Save as New Template. A small box will appear asking you to name your template. Enter a clear name that will be easy to recognize later, and click Save. After you save, you can close the draft if you want, since the template is now stored in Gmail. To use the canned response you just made, click Compose again to start a fresh email. Open the three dots menu in the Compose window one more time, go to Templates, and then look under the list of saved templates. Click the template name you created. Gmail will instantly insert that saved text into your email draft. From here, all you need to do is customize any small details for the specific recipient, add a subject line, and send it like a normal email. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.